Well, the indications were that there would be selling in the Indian equity markets based on what we saw overnight on Wall Street and also on account of the gains that we've had over the course of the last couple of weeks. Now, that is exactly what we saw. In fact, the selling pressure accelerated over the course of the trading session. And in fact, we ended at very close to the low point of the day. And we've erased all of the gains that you saw in trade on Thursday. The Nifty 50 still holding above the 18,000 mark, though. Let's take a deeper look into what contributed to this. And if I look at the sectors that have moved very sharply today, you have the Nifty Bank that was the worst off. It lost about 2%, or in fact more than 2%. You had metals also as a pack that underperformed, losing over 1%. The ones that bucked the trend were auto and consumption. Now, the devil is in the detail, and you have to look at a few of the names that stood out in trade today. And if you look at the Nifty 50, a large part of the contributor to the decline today was the HDFC twins. And that's on account of the announcement of the addition of HDFC Bank into the MSCI index. But the expectation of inflows on account of that inclusion is now proving to be false. There will, in fact, as a result of that inclusion into MSCI, be an outflow. And that was reflected in the stocks today, both of them losing about 5% each. And the financials, as I mentioned, also lost ground. Now, a few of the other stocks from the broader universe that you should focus on are the tire stocks. And that's because there was a very positive result from SEAT, and the effect of lower crude prices is now evident with margins expanding. MRF also saw that rub-on effect. You had metal counters, as I mentioned, that underperformed, and that was evident for Hindalco as well as Tata Steel. You had oil marketing companies that are in focus again because of crude. Now, a couple of the other companies that did well on earnings was TVS as well as Hero MotoCorp from the auto pack. Two-wheelers seem to be back in focus. But as we head into next week, we're winding down the earnings season. That will continue to be the focus. But let's see if we hold on to that 18,000 mark. That will be the crucial level to watch out for.